Hi y'all, and welcome to this video. It's a quick review on the Chillax makeup bag. And as you can see here, it's got two sections. It's got the part where you can put your makeup brushes. You can put other smaller things like lipsticks, concealers, lip balms. I've also put like a primer or two up there. And then you've got the second part where you can put items like blushes, highlighters, got bronzers, single eyeshadows. Then you can put smaller eyeshadow palettes, lip palettes, and then your larger eyeshadow palettes. It also has dividers like this. And you can make these compartments as small or as big as you need to, which is very good. It's very ideal for makeup artists or people who just travel with a lot of makeup and you don't want it all in your suitcase, which that's the part I fall into, would be someone who just travels with a lot of makeup brushes and makeup, and I just don't want to get it mixed up with my other stuff. And you also got another compartment over here that you can also stick some items in, like maybe some skincare. And just to show y'all what it looks like on the outside, and you see it's a good size, very nice looking. And there you go again with the two areas. And as I said, you can make those compartments as big or as small as you need, because it does have dividers that you can just stick in, as you see right there. Yeah, I do highly recommend this bag, and I will have it linked in the description so y'all can check out this great makeup bag by Chillax. And with that being said, I do thank y'all for watching, and please go check out Chillax's makeup bag. You won't regret it. Bye-bye.